Dear student, today we shall learn in surface area and volume in sphere and hemisphere. Diagram of sphere. Radius equal to r. Surface area, curved surface area of sphere 4 pi r square. Total surface area of sphere 4 pi r square, and volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. And hemisphere, diagram the hemisphere. Radius r. Curved surface area is 2 pi r square. Total surface area 3 pi r square, and volume 2 by 3 pi r cube. Curved surface area of sphere 4 pi r square, total surface area of sphere 4 pi r square, and volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Hemisphere, curved surface area of hemisphere 2 pi r square, total surface area of hemisphere 3 pi r square, and volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Solve the sum question. First question. Find the surface area and volume of sphere which radius is 1.4. Radius equal to 1.4 centimeter and area of sphere. Surface area of sphere, put the formula for pi r square. Value pi 22/7, radius 1.4 multiplied by 1.4. Cancel point and divide by 10. 7 2 ja 14. 4 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 2. Divide by 10 multiply 10 100. 4 22 4 ja 88. 14 2 ja 28. Divide by 100. Multiply by 88 and 28. 2464 divide by 100. Divide by 100, 24.64 centimeter square of surface area. Again find the volume. Put the formula of volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi 22/7. Radius 1.4, 1.4 and 1.4. Cancel point, divide by 10, divide by 10 and divide by 10. 7 2 ja 14. 4 multiply 22 multiply 14 multiply 14 into 2 upon 3 into 10 into 10 into 10. Cancel 2 5 time and 7 time. Cancel 2 5 time and 7 time. Cancel 2 5 time and 11 time. 4 multiply by 11 multiply by 7 multiply by 7 multiply by 2 upon 3 5 5 ja 25 25 5 ja 125. 11 4 ja 44. 7 7 ja 49. Multiply by 2 upon 125 multiply by 3. 375. 44 multiply by 2 88. 49 upon 375. 88 multiplied by 49. 4312 upon 375. 4312 upon 375 divided by 75, then 11.5 centimeter cube is the volume of sphere. Next question. Question number 2. The surface area of a sphere is 616 centimeter square. Surface area of a sphere 616 centimeter square. Find the volume of a sphere. Volume of a sphere. Put the formula of surface area 4 pi r square. 616. Put the value of pi 22 upon 7 and simplify, find the radius. For as it is 22 upon 7, r square as it is 616. R square as it is, transfer 4 by 1 equal to 1 by 4. 22 upon 7 transfer 7 upon 22. 11 cancel 2 ja, 11 5 ja 55, 6 6 ja 66. R square equal to 56 multiplied by 7, 4 2 ja 8. 8 cancel 56 7 times. R square equal to 7 7 ja 49. Then radius equal to 7 centimeter. Also find the volume. Volume of sphere 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 as it is, put the value of pi 22 upon 7 and radius 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. 1 7 and 7 cancel. 22 4 ja 88. 7 7 ja 49 upon 3. 88 multiplied by 49. 88 multiplied by 49. 4312 upon 3. Divide by 3, then 1437.33 centimeter cube is a volume of sphere. Next question. Third. Radius of hemisphere is 4.5 centimeter. Hemisphere. Radius of hemisphere 4.5 centimeter. Find the surface area and volume. Find the surface area and volume. Then curved surface area equal to 2 pi r square. Put the value of pi and radius. 4.5 multiplied by 4.5. Point cancel, divide by 10, divide by 10. 2 multiply 22, 45 multiply 45. 7 into 10 into 10. 5 2 ja 10, 5 9 ja 45. 5 2 ja 10, 5 9 ja 45. 2 and 2 cancel. Then 22 multiply 9 upon 7 2 ja 7 multiply by 2. 2 again cancel 11 times. 11 9 ja 99. Multiply by 9 upon 7. Divide by 7. 800 91 divided by 7. 1 जा 2 जा 7 जा 0.2 centimeter square is a curved surface area of hemisphere. And also find the volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Put the value of pi is 22 upon 7. Radius 4.5 multiply 4.5 multiply 4.5. Cancel point, divide by 10, divide by 10 and divide by 10. 22 upon 3, 22 upon 3, 22 upon 7, 45, 45 and 45, divide by 10, 10 and 10. 5 2 ja 10, 5 9 ja, 5 2 ja 10, 5 9 ja 45, 5 2 ja 10, 5 9 ja 45. 2 and 2 cancel, 2 and 11 ja. Remaining part 11 into 9 into 9 into 9 upon 3 into 7 into 2. 3 3 ja 9. 11 9 ja 99. 9 multiplied by 3 upon 7 2 ja 14. 99 multiplied by 9 multiply by 3 divide by 14. 2673 divide by 14. Then 190.93 centimeter cube is a volume of hemisphere. Next question. Question number 4. The volume of a sphere is 38,808. Volume of a sphere 38,808 centimeter cube. Find the surface area of a sphere. Surface area of a sphere. Put the formula of volume 4 by 3 pi r cube equal to 38,808. 4 upon 3 pi 22 upon 7 and r cube as it is 38,808. Transfer 4 by 3 and 22 upon 7. 38,808. 3 by 4 and 7 by 22. Cancel 11 2 ja 22, 11 3 ja 33, 5 58, 11 5 ja 55, 3 30, 11 2 ja 22, 8 88, 11 8 ja. R cube equal to 35 to 8 multiply by 3 multiply by 7 and divide by 4 into 2. Again cancel 2. R cube equal to 1764. 3 7 ja 21. Again cancel 4. 4 4 ja 16. 4 4 जा 16 and 4 1 जा 4. 4 1 multiply by 21. 4 4 1 21 multiply by 21 multiply by 21. 21 power 3. Power 3 cancel, r equal to 21 centimeter. Radius equal to 21 centimeter. Find the surface area. Put the formula of surface area of square 4 pi r square. 4 pi 22 upon 7. Radius 21. 7 3 ja. 22 4 ja 88 and 21 3 ja 63. Multiply by 88 and 63. 88 and 63. Then surface area of sphere is 5544 centimeter square is the surface area of sphere. Next question 5. A cylinder is made of glass whose radius and height are 4 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively. By melting it, how many sphere of radius is 2 centimeter each can be recosted? A sphere and cylinder. Radius of cylinder and height of cylinder given. Radius of cylinder 4 centimeter and height of cylinder 10 centimeter. And melted and recast a sphere. Radius of 2 centimeter. Find the number of sphere. Then number of sphere equal to volume of cylinder divided by volume of one sphere. Number of sphere equal to volume of cylinder. Put the formula pi r square h1 and volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube r2. R1 radius is 4 centimeter and R2 radius is 2 centimeter. Cancel, pi to pi cancel. 4 by 3 reciprocal 3 by 4. Put the value of R1 radius 4 multiply by 4 multiply and height of cylinder is 10 centimeter. Again put the second radius of sphere R2. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 2 ja 4. 4 and 4 cancel. 2 5 ja 10. 3 multiply by 5 equal to 15 sphere balls. Number of sphere equal to 15. Next question. How many cone with radius is 3 centimeter and height is 6 centimeter can be formed by melting a melted sphere with radius is 9 centimeter. A sphere radius is 9 centimeter melted and made by cone. R1 is a radius of a sphere 9 centimeter and radius of cone is 3 centimeter R2 and height of cone is 6 centimeter. Find the number of cone. Number of cone equal to volume of sphere divided by volume of one cone. Put the formula volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r1 cube. Put the volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. R is 2. Cancel 1 by 3 and 1 by 3, pi and pi. Remaining part for r1 cube upon r2 square multiplied by h. Put the value of r1 is 9, 9 and 9. r2 3, 3 and height is 6. Cancel 3 3 ja 9 and 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. 2 2 ja 4 multiply 2 9, 2 multiply 9 and multiply 3. 9 3 ja 27 multiply by 2, then 24. 24 is a number of cone. Thank you.